Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your EA account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official EA website. Now from the home page, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials if you wish to log into your account. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, click on the same account icon at the top right and then click on account settings. Now from this page, you will see your basic information. If you click on the edit button at the right side, you will be allowed to edit your user ID as well as your first and your last name. So just type in your desired user ID, which will be shown publicly to other EA accounts. After typing in your desired ID, you can also enter your first and your last name, but this is entirely optional. Finally, make sure to choose your correct date of birth and click on the save button. Once you click on save, your newly chosen username or your EA ID will be updated to your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on your EA account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.